Hello, guys. This is part one of learning JavaScript with crypto. Alright, so let's go. Now I'll be showing you creating custom blocks. So, custom blocks first. So we will learn about two things, variables and my blocks. And also some outputs and stuff like that. So, I'll be showing some outputs and stuff. So, okay, so let's do one example, and then we will do it inside of CodePen, specifically the JS area. So let's create a custom block called greet with an input of user. Press OK. This is our custom block. Inside of this custom block, what we will do is we will say with join user. So we will do hello user exclamation mark. And now that's the custom block. Now inside of blocks, we will get the block and we will insert a name like Bob as an example. Click the custom block and we have something simple. Now how do we code this inside of JavaScript? Well, we will create the custom block first. First we function the custom block name greet with the input of user and start. So what we do is console log, which is basically the saying to the console here. We will do parentheses hello plus, which is joining the input user. Now plus, which is another join, and then exclamation mark. And then, frick. Now down here we will operate the custom block greet Bob. And now you can see that we have in console, here it is, Bob. So basically, in Turbowarp, we created a custom block define. So define inside of Python, which is just define. Then define is basically just some random things. Yeah. Inside of JavaScript, function is basically like a functionality block, something like that. Functionality of greet user. User is the input. Now we start this by doing these weird things. Console log is basically saying console, and then we do logging to the console, and then we do hello joined, that's the plus, with the user, and then we join that with the exclamation mark. Then we end it, and then the custom block is operated, or the functionality is operated with greet Bob, which is the input. Okay, so now time to make some variables. So we'll just delete this variable and we'll make a simple variable. Call this variable user name. And for all sprites, now we will just make a simple script. When green flag clicked, set user to some random thing like crypto pasta. And now we put the variable down into the greet. Pretty simple, right? Now inside of JS, we make a few more, and now hit variable. Now the variable name username equals, I think, equals, and parentheses with this crypto pasta, and then we will not put the parentheses, but instead we will do username. Now here here inside of the unmuted is my username, crypto pasta. Here. Okay. Now let's go back into Turbowarp. We'll be learning some of the operators like plus, subtraction, multiplication, division, the booleans, less, greater than equal to, and join. We already explained join. It's just plus inside of a delimiter. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, round and absolute, I think. Nah, I don't really feel like it. Okay, so first is plus. So let's go back into the user and here, and let's just not clean blocks here. Okay, now we will do set username to divide. We will do divide 10 from 5. Put this here, and then we will create user. Now multiply this by 5. Okay. Now how do you implement this into JavaScript? Well, we put this here, and then we do. Wait, hold on a moment. Okay. So let me here. Let me see. 10. No, no. 10. So you delete these things. It's because that helps you put inputs and booleans. But if you're just doing numbers and operators and stuff like that, you put just the thing. 10 divided by 5. And this thing, just for safety measures. Actually, we could just put this here. And here. Okay, now, how do we set up this variable? Well, we already did. But how do we multiply it? Well, we do username multiplied by 5. And now, let's see back into console, and we have hello. Again and again. I don't really know how to teach next, so tell me what y'all will like to know next from translated from scratch code to JavaScript. Make sure to like, I don't really care about some things. Okay, bye-bye.